Before performing any machine disassembly operations, the battery must be removed first. This electric strapping machine comes with a spring installed by default that is designed for PET straps. If you are using PP straps, please replace the existing spring with the alternate one that we have provided for you. These 3 screws are of different sizes and correspond to the 3 holes at the top, left side, and bottom respectively. The left and right knob can adjust welding time and tightening force. Turn clockwise to increase, counterclockwise to decrease. Install the battery to start using it. Please wrap the straps in the way is shown and do not allow the straps to get wet with oil or other debris at any time. When inserting the straps, tension-facing straps must stack at the top end. Stretch bottom strapping to the feeding wheel base, covering the tooth plate front by 5 millimeters. Insert the straps by lifting the handle and inserting. Ensure that upper and lower ends stack parallel after releasing the handle. Press the tensioning button. Release when desired tension is reached. Tensioning can be interrupted by restart at any time. Blue indicator lights during operation. Press the welding button to release hands immediately. The plastic strap is welded in excess. Straps are cut off. During welding, the indicator light shows green or purple. Welding completes.